Honda has once again made a breakthrough that will leave you wanting more. While Dax is usually synonymous with simple and fun retro minibikes, this time they've given it a super premium touch with the Honda Dax Royal Limited Edition. It's a small bike, but it has the aura of a high-end collector's item. From the outside, you can immediately feel the Sultan vibe. The body is coated in an elegant classic jet black, adorned with a 3D gold chrome emblem on the Dax's signature T-bone frame. It's not just the paint or stickers, but the details that make this bike's aura completely different from the standard version. One look at it and it's clear. This is no ordinary motorcycle. Honda didn't stop there. They added a custom vintage-style seat for a more classic feel, a stainless steel rear rack for functionality yet luxury, and a chrome front fender for an elegant, reflective shine. All these details are combined to create a classic look that remains relevant today. Retro yet premium. Because of its limited edition status, each unit has a unique serial number. So this bike is not only suitable for daily use or casual wear, but also has high collector's value. Moreover, Honda has set a pre-order deadline of August 31st, 2025, and even then, it's only available through the Big Motor Sale or the Cub House flagship store. With a price tag of around 94,900 baht, it's no wonder this motorcycle is considered an investment, not just a vehicle. Now let's talk about performance. Despite its cute appearance, the Honda Dax Royal is still equipped with a 125 cubic centimeter single-cylinder fuel injection engine, paired with a 4-speed semi-automatic transmission, and front and rear disc brakes with ABS. Power is rated at 8.3 horsepower at 7,300 RPM, while torque is 7.6 Newton-meters at 4,900 RPM. These aren't huge numbers, but for a mini bike, this performance is more than enough to make riding feel light, practical, and enjoyable. In conclusion, the Honda Dax Royal Limited Edition is more than just your average retro motorcycle. It's a bike that combines classic design, luxurious details, and high exclusivity in one package.